Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Notion to manage personal finances with databases, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your Notion app or website. Locate the existing page where you want to manage your personal finances. If you don't have a page yet, create a new one by clicking on New Page in the sidebar. Once your page is ready, start by creating a new database. Click on the Add Database option. Choose either a table, board, list, or calendar format based on your preference. For tracking personal finances, a table format is recommended for its straightforward layout. To set up your database, label the first column as date. This will help you track when each transaction occurs. The next column should be labeled description. Here, you will input details about each transaction, such as groceries, rent, or create a third column and name it category. This will allow you to organize your spending by type. For the fourth column, create an amount column. This will be used to record the monetary value of each transaction. Consider adding an additional column for payment method. This can help you identify whether you paid with cash, credit, or another method. Once your structure is in place, start entering sample data to see how it looks. Input your latest transactions into the respective columns. As you add data, keep an eye on how easy it is to read and manage. If you need to make adjustments, you can always add or delete columns later. For better visualization, explore the options to create filters. Filters allow you to view specific categories or payment methods. You may also want to create a summary block at the top of your page. This block can calculate your total income, expenses, or savings over time. To do this, use the rollup function to sum your amount column. Once everything is set up and you've added your data, explore how to customize your database. Use different colors for categories or adjust the layout for enhanced usability. Regularly update your database with new transactions to keep your financial overview current. Finally, revisit your database periodically to analyze your spending habits. This analysis can guide you in making informed financial decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.